Alright, what we have here is a Thinkpad T60 in very good condition, a new SSD from Kingston, a set of mini screwdrivers, a USB stick if you want to create a Linux bootable stick to install a new operating system, a fresh battery. I have already disconnected, removed the old battery. I need to remove the hard drive where I'm pointing right there on this particular Thinkpad. It's right below one of the feet of the Thinkpad. There's a little clip there to remove with the screw, which I already have. You're going to pull out the old hard drive gently. Now this old hard drive is still good, so I will keep this as a spare just in case. Keep track mentally of how this connects with those connectors. This will only go in one way. So the new one will only go in, obviously, one way, same as the old one. And I just verified that this will fit, it's the right size, and it is, so no problem there. Again, this only goes in one way. So we have 4 screws to remove. Be careful when removing or reinstalling the older screws. You don't want to break them or strip the screws unless you have spare ones around. I don't think I do. So again, these screws do not have to be super tightened. Just enough so the screw is in there secure. And do not lose the screws. So I kept them right in front of me where I won't lose them. I probably should have worn some kind of a anti-static strap, but I didn't. Don't think I had a problem. In fact, I know I didn't because the hard drive works. So remove the old hard drive. Again, I will keep this because this one still works. I'll just keep it as a spare just in case. Now again, the new one only goes in one way. So we'll pop that into the caddy. And we will reinstall the 4 screws. Again, do not over tighten these. So all 4 screws are in. We'll just slide it right in gently. There's a little pull tab. You can just fold that in there right on top of the hard drive. Then once that is done, we'll just reinstall. I'll put back the clip there, the little plastic cover with 1 screw. Again, do not over tighten this. Don't want to strip it. And finally, put in the new fresh battery. I will let the battery charge maybe a couple hours, maybe less, depending how much of a charge it was shipped with. Make note of the little lock tab clip there on the battery. Do not break that. Again, slide it in and lock it in gently. And guess what? That's it. The only thing left to do is to create a USB bootable stick with your favorite light Linux for this Thinkpad T60.